Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on Keyboard and Input method. Select Manage Keyboards and Revert. Now tap on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are here. To manage them, tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!